So I'm going to start by making the meringue base for our pavlovas. I've got some egg whites here. I'm just going to add a pinch of salt and a squeeze of lemon juice, and that'll help stabilise the mixture. We're going to whisk that until it's really nice and stiff before we start adding in any of the sugar. For the full recipe, just click on the link. Now the meringue is holding its shape really well, so we can start adding in our sugar. I'm going to add it in about 3 tablespoons at a time, whisking as we go until it's really shiny and glossy. You can see our meringue looks really shiny and mallowy, so we're ready now to add the chocolate. Now I've got some dark chocolate here that I've just melted gently. It should have cooled down a little bit by now. Drizzle that over the top of the meringue and then just gently fold in. Don't overdo it, you just want it to ripple. I've got a large baking tray here. I'm just going to dot a little bit of meringue to anchor the paper down. You need 6 roughly even-sized heaps of meringue. And then just with the back of your spoon, make an indentation into each one. Now these need to bake for about an hour, after which you can open the door and then leave them to cool in there until they're completely cold, and that should minimise the cracking. I've got some extra thick double cream here. I've sweetened it with a little bit of icing sugar. When you're ready to serve, just spoon that into the indentation and then top with some gorgeous fresh raspberries. Really, really, really pretty and simple. And to finish off, just a little pinch of cocoa powder. For more lovely baking recipes, don't forget to click to subscribe.